Welcome to 4698 Gettysburg Avenue North in a quiet area of New Hope surrounded by parks and trails. Very clean exterior with steel siding, maintenance-free windows, and full gutters. And walking in, you'll notice the tiled entry. Now going upstairs to the living room. You have a warm, inviting living room with a large picture window and great entertaining space as it connects with a eat-in kitchen. Walking out to the deck, very spacious deck is a great place for barbecues and very convenient as it connects with a kitchen. It overlooks a fenced yard. Just over a quarter of an acre, 0.28 acres, 2 decks. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and a full tiled bathroom. So first bedroom is the master. All of the bedrooms are very nice sized, so generously sized bedrooms. And 3 bedrooms on the upper level offers a lot of flexibility, having another look at the living room and the kitchen. And now we'll go down to the main floor. And the main floor office with a cozy gas fireplace. I'm guessing this will be the favorite hangout spot in the house. 3/4 bathroom, so a tiled bathroom with a shower. And then across from the bathroom is a huge mudroom. So the flexibility here also, because it's right off the garage, you have a lot of uses, or a lot of places you can put here. Boot bench, coat storage. And then the 4th level, we have a second family room, so second hangout spot for movies, entertaining, and a 4th bedroom with an egress window. And then off of the family room is the 5th level. 5th level is currently a exercise room, so a huge home gym. Or you could make this into a storage room or a home theater. And utility room with a high efficiency furnace, water heater, and access to crawl space storage. 4698 Gettysburg Avenue North in New Hope, surrounded by parks and trails. Don't miss out. Schedule your showing today.